What is up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. January is almost over, and I was sitting here looking at my Charles Schwab and my Webull account, and I kind of realized that I'm not just tracking numbers anymore. I'm like literally tracking my exit into the new life that I've chosen. If you saw my video yesterday, my Webull rent account has already locked in about 2 years worth of rent in the Philippines. And this other account is just kind of in the background here doing its thing, just slowly growing. I'm going to share that with you guys in today's video. I'm going to take you guys into the portfolio, share with you what's in it, show you how much money I've made so far this month, and I'll show you guys the spreadsheet at the end and talk to you more about these positions. Right now, this is just after 9 o'clock at night here in China. So it is the pre-market. So this might be moving around a little bit, fluctuating because the market is about to open. So keep that in mind as I show you this. This might change by the end of the day, but I got to get this video out there now because you see my bags are behind me. They're packed. I'm actually leaving in the morning to the Philippines. And so I won't be able to make this video tomorrow morning. So I got to make it now. So let's record the screen. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, here we are in Charles Schwab. I'll refresh it for you. So right now, like I said, this is a pre-market, 9 o'clock at night here in China. The market is slightly down, or you could say flat. We'll see. I'm not sure what it's going to do today, but it's still got an hour and 20 minutes before to open. Anyway, right now, this portfolio is sitting at $77,489. And there's $1,428 in cash. And if we go check out, view all the positions, I'll share them with you guys here. We've got XDTE, 1,090 shares. Then we have SGov. This is just where I store some cash here. 150 shares. Now I've got Maggie, 119 shares. And I've got SPYI, 110. And then last, I have SCHX, which is basically the same thing as Vanguard's VOO. If you're not familiar with SCHX, it's got the exact same performance, but it has an extra 250 stocks. So it's the S&P 500 plus 250. But if you compare it on a chart to VOO over the past 10 or 15 years, the performance is exactly the same. And I'm using Charles Schwab, so I'm just buying Charles Schwab products. No particular reason over why I would choose this over VOO. Same thing. So anyway, now that you know that, let me go in here to the history and share a few things with you guys really quick. Then we'll get into the spreadsheet. So let's view the dividends and interest that I've made so far this month. So if I scroll back here to, we don't want to go back to December. So the first one I received in January, on January the 2nd, the very first trading day of January, I received $2,125 from XDTE. And then that was on drip. I actually didn't want to drip that, but it was on drip, so too late now. But I did drip that. If we go back here and look at January the 5th, Maggie paid me 36. On the 9th, XDTE paid me 176, and then on the 12th, 37.88 from Maggie. Again, that was on a drip. On the 16th, XDTE paid me 125. I did not drip that. The 20th, Maggie paid me 40, and then today, which is the 23rd, XDTE paid me 175, and again, I did not drip that. I'm going to use that money to buy more SPYI actually. So I'll grab 3 shares of SPYI here in just a minute. Actually, you know what? I guess I can go ahead and put an order in now maybe. Let's just go do that. We'll buy it right now. Just buy. It's not really good to be buying in the pre-market, but I don't care. I'll buy anyway. We'll just put this here, 52.46, and we'll take 3 shares. That's the amount of dividends I had. Put the order in, place the order. Let's see. Order status. Did we get filled or not? Oh, no, wait. I messed up. Let me change the order. Let's go down here and choose, see, it's on day only. I got to do extended hours. Now let's place the order. Bam. Okay, put the order in. And we're not filled yet. It is a limit order, so maybe it'll get filled here in a bit. But anyway, yeah, I put the order in. Should have 113 shares here soon. So anyway, let's go look at the spreadsheet, and I'll share with you guys behind the scenes this portfolio and show you guys what's really going on here. And let me record the screen. What's going on? I can't see. My camera's in the way. I can't see with the screen. Okay, new screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, let's open up. Okay, here we are. Here's the positions that I currently have right now. I'll make it bigger for you guys. Okay, so there's the positions I just showed you. On the left here, you see the blue box around them there. And you can see the numbers here all match. It's the same thing that I just showed you guys in the brokerage. And my cost average and stuff is there. It doesn't really matter to you guys. Like, it matters what you bought it at, not what I bought it at, but it's there for you guys to see. This other stuff we're not going to talk about, day change and overall change. The 52-week highs and lows, you can see these couple of these are all-time high, or not all-time high, but 52-week high, and these two are down low. If we check out the returns, we can see XDTE has a total return of 9.10%. So that's okay. I'm happy with that. 9% return. Can't complain. Maggie is negative 0.5%. So we're almost positive on this one. This is a pretty new position, so I need some time to do its thing. But I believe it will be okay in the long run. So we're just going to let that play out for now. SPYI, I just put the order in for 3 shares, as you saw. Haven't got filled yet, I don't think, but the order's in. When it hits the price, then it'll get filled. If not, I'll just go ahead and buy it later anyway. SGov, we're slightly positive, but that doesn't really matter. It's just this kind of thing just kind of slightly creeps up and then comes back down at the end of the month when they pay the dividend out. And then all month long, it'll slightly creep up day by day and then come back out. Not a big deal. SCHX, brand new position here. This is just to give me a little bit of growth in the portfolio to help offset some of the volatility from, especially from Maggie. And XDT is not so bad, but Maggie's been pretty volatile lately. But this should offset some of that and make things a little bit smoother, which is what I'm going for there. That's why I have this SCHX, and I can get some growth, right? Okay, so if we go down here to the dividend log really quick, let me get over here. So here we are on January, $2,602 so far from Maggie, and $114, or from XDTE, sorry, $114 from Maggie. Now we're gonna get some payments from SPYI and SGov as well. So I got these two coming in. Let's check the calendar. I should get 2 more payments. I'll get one more on Monday from Maggie, and then one more on the last day of the month from XDTE. So we're gonna get 2 payments there. 3, 4. We're gonna get 4 more payments before this month is over. And so far, we've already received $2,716. Still 4 more payments coming. So this is probably gonna be around $3,000. Maybe slightly less. It depends on what XDTE pays out. It's been a little bit lower lately, but it is going back up, so we'll see. But it should be close to $3,000 for the month, which is okay. I'm happy with that. Not a big deal. Lastly, if I show you guys the sold positions so far in January, I've only sold 1 position, and that was WPay, because I wanted to reduce the volatility in this portfolio. And you can see I sold that on December 18th, so that wasn't even this year. So anyway, yeah, I guess it's not really relevant because I sold it last year, but I did sell it for a 9.5% loss when you add in the total return, because the dividend stayed in the portfolio. So I did lose 9.5% on that. But I wanted to get rid of that and reduce the volatility, so that's why I sold that one. So anyway, that's really all I got for you guys. I just had to hurry up and get this video out there for you guys before I left because I'm heading out first thing in the morning to the Philippines, and I'll probably be there for a while. So next time you see me, it'll probably be a different background. I don't know where I'm going to be yet, to be honest with you, but I know I'll be in the Philippines. So I look forward to seeing you guys over there, and I look forward to seeing you guys down in the comments below. And also, don't forget to check out the link in the pinned comment if you want to get on the newsletter and get the free download that's down there as well. You can go grab that and check your spam box. It'll probably go to your spam box. And if you move it to your known contacts or whatever, then you'll get it. And the download's at the bottom of the page. And if you hit reply, I'll be able to read your message and chat to you if you got something you want to talk about. So I'll see you guys next time, man. Y'all take care. Hopefully I'll go get a tan and get out of this cold weather here in China. See you guys later.